Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please do me a favor, like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel. This is Epson Workforce. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 4-in-1, and copy, scan, print and fax with this printer. What I want to do is to show you how to print document from mobile phone to Epson printer. There are two ways to do this. First of all, you need to make sure that the printer and the mobile device both are connected to the same network. And once you've done that, then you need to go to your file from your phone, wherever you save the document. So go to the file, open up the file, okay, then go to document, okay, and select specific document. This is the document I want us to print, okay, page 2, one of 2. Now the next thing to do, you need to go on top, okay, and select the 3 dots. Select the 3 dots. You will see this page sorter, page view, full screen, add. So select print, and once you select print, you will see this app. The other thing you need to do is also you need to scroll down to select the correct printer. So scroll down to select Epson Workforce, and once the printer is ready, you will see a yellow printer image, and this is ready. Now from here you can select other features you want to do by scrolling down here and select the color. If you want to print this black and white, select black and white, and if you want to print it double-sided, select double-sided long edge, and also paper source is A4. If you have any other paper type like 4x6 photo paper, letter, then you need to select it. Okay, what we have here is A4 paper, and you can also select more option. Then once you've done that, the next thing to do is select print. So this document now is going to print black and white and double-sided long edge. Here we go. There we go. So it's going preparing to print the reverse side of the paper. Do not touch the paper. There we go. This is the document we printed out, double-sided, black and white. Now another way to print document from your mobile phone to Epson printer is for you to go to Epson Smart Panel, go to the app. This printer is connected via Epson Smart Panel. Okay, this is the Epson Smart Panel. Okay, and from this now, this is the printer here, and this is ink level. So what you need to do, you need to go to, from here you can see print photo. So you need to select print documents. Okay, you can see we show you print document. Then you need to select on it. Then the next thing to do, once you select, you need to select the document you want to print out. Okay, so this is the document I want to print out from here. Then you check how many, so 2 pages of document. Okay, now the next thing to do, you need to select print. Once you select print, you select print all. Okay, and also select media type, plain paper, layout, okay, borders. Then you go back, print quality, standard. You can also select high quality. Now paper source casket 1, okay. Now color, you select black and white or color. So I want to print this one in colored. Then also double-sided, I want to print this double-sided. If you don't want to print it double-sided, then you select off for double-sided, okay. So but I want to print it double-sided. I'm also going to show you how to print single page. Once you've done that, then you select how many copies, then select start. Now this document is going to print double-sided, colored, and just one page. Okay, so now preparing to print the reverse side. So this is automatic double-sided print. Some printers you need to turn it the paper, but this one it will do it automatically, so it's going back in to print the second page. So this document was printed out double-sided color. If you want to print this document single page, okay, instead of double-sided, then you need to go to select off for double-sided. It will show you print double-sided is off, okay. You can also print specific page if you want, okay. So once you've done that, then you select okay. Or if you want to print page 1 to 1, let's only page 1, then you need to select page 1 to 1, select done, okay, and you're going to now print only page 1, select print, and also I want to print this in black and white and select. So what we have done is we are printing only page 1 to 1, okay, and also the paper type is A4, media type, every other thing is okay. The same thing, we are changing the color to print it black and white and only printing page 1 instead of double-sided, and select start. So this is the document now. We printed only page 1 of 1, so only page 1. Remember, this document is 2 pages, but we only printed page 1. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. This is how to print your document from your mobile phone to Epson printer via Epson Smart Panel, or going to document file and print it out. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.